Click on the link below to get price. The AmScope SM4TZ 80M5M Digital Professional Trinocular Stereo Zoom Microscope is a remarkable tool for both amateur and professional users interested in detailed observation and analysis. This microscope stands out for its impressive magnification range of 3.5x to 90x, allowing users to see intricate details in specimens that would otherwise remain unseen. The quality of the optics is excellent, providing crisp, clear images that enhance the overall viewing experience. One of the most notable features is the trinocular head, which allows for simultaneous viewing through the eyepieces while also being able to connect a camera for digital imaging. This feature is particularly beneficial for documentation and sharing findings, making it an invaluable asset for educators, researchers, and hobbyists alike. The included WH10x eyepieces further enhance the optical performance, ensuring that users have a comfortable and immersive viewing experience. The build quality of the AmScope SM4TZ is sturdy and reliable, which is essential for a microscope intended for regular use. The zoom mechanism is smooth and precise, allowing for easy adjustments to the magnification without any wobble or misalignment. Furthermore, the built-in LED illumination provides ample lighting, ensuring that specimens are well lit and easily visible, even when examining darker samples. The microscope's design is user-friendly, making it accessible to beginners while also offering advanced features for seasoned users. Adjusting the focus and zoom settings is straightforward, and the overall setup is intuitive. The inclusion of a digital camera option is a fantastic addition, enabling users to capture and save images directly to their computer, thereby enhancing the versatility of the microscope. Overall, the AmScope SM4TZ 80M5M Digital Professional Trinocular Stereo Zoom Microscope is an excellent investment for anyone looking to delve into the microscopic world. Its combination of high-quality optics, versatile magnification, and user-friendly design makes it a standout choice, ensuring satisfaction for both educational and professional applications.